Hey guys, welcome to the 5th week of 321 Collaboration. So we are already a month into this. Can you believe it? Because I can't. So first of all, sorry about this lighting again. I'm filming really late at night. Because here it gets dark at 4:30. It's Canada for you. But this week's theme and challenge, I don't think any of the other collabers know about this except for Elle, because it was Elle's idea. Yeah. But it is prank calling and just three of the things I want for Christmas. Now first I'll tell you my 3 things I want for Christmas. I don't know, I'm not really asking for much this Christmas. I don't really know. Everything is kind of over price range that I want. So I'm just kind of saving up for that, by myself. But if I had to choose 3 things that I kind of want, I kind of want my phone. I got a new phone, by the way. It's not my BlackBerry anymore. It has Beats audio. And I have, Beats, big Beats that you should put over your ears. But I don't really like, bringing those out in public and all that stuff. So, I'm asking for just Beats in ears, which is good, I don't know. And then I'm just asking for a new luggage set. Exciting, I know. And just, some cologne or something. Keeping it pretty simple, but I don't really know what I want much. So now I'm going to call a few of the McDonald's in my cities. I don't even know what I'm going to say, so let's see how this goes. Okay, you know what? Come on, McDonald's. Sorry about this, folks. I'm having a slight malfunction. I can't find any dang McDonald's. Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh, answer. Please answer. Hello? Hello?
Hi, Dr. McDonald's. Virgin speaking.
Hi, is this Dairy Queen?
No, sorry, it's McDonald's.
Oh, well, do you know the directions, or can I have some directions to Dairy Queen? So I'm just kind of
Sorry?
Can I have a Blizzard?
Sorry?
Can I have a Blizzard?
I didn't hear you very well.
Can I have a Blizzard? Hello?
Say it again?
Can I have a Blizzard, please?
Oh, no.
Why not? Hello?
Thank you.
You're welcome. But can I have a Blizzard? Hello?
Yes?
Okay, can I order then?
This is...
Can I order in then? I'll have some of those chicken McNuggets.
And this is not Dairy Queen, this is McDonald's.
I know. I don't like Dairy Queen. I'm joking. But can I have some chicken McNuggets?
If you wanna order, then just come here in the restaurant. We don't take order in telephone.
Oh, why not?
Okay? Have a great night.
Don't leave me. Oh, hell nah. Well, I was successful. Yeah, so... that was grand old McDonald's for you. So, I'll see you guys next week. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, bye.